65. See, the question is, if f of x and y equal to f of xy equal to x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube, then find dou square f upon dou x square or delta square f upon delta x square, delta square f upon delta y square, delta square f upon delta x delta y, and delta square f upon delta y delta x. So we want to find out these four things. So first, delta f upon delta x. How to calculate this? So assume y is a constant and differentiate this. Tell me, what is derivative of x cube?
2x square.
3x square plus
3x square.
here y
2x.
is a, yeah, y is a
2x.
constant, so 2x into y as it is plus
Y square.
y square plus 0. So no need, because this
0.
y cube is a constant, so no need to write 0. So this is, let us say, equation 1. Now differentiate this once with respect to x, once again with respect to x, so we get second order derivative, partial differentiation. Once again differentiate this with respect to x. What is derivative of 3x square?
6x.
6x plus 2xy, y and 2 both are
2y.
constant, yeah, 2y, perfect. And what is derivative of y square?
0.
0. So this is delta square f upon delta x square. Now differentiate this to y. So we get delta square f upon delta y delta x. So equation 1, differentiate that with respect to y. So now keep x constant. So what is derivative of 3x square? What is derivative of 3x square with respect to
0.
y? So x is a constant.
0 हो जाएगा.
0, perfect. Then
0. 1. 1 आ जाएगा.
with respect to y, so 2x
2.
into 1,
2x.
yeah, plus y square
2y.
2y, perfect. So our final answer is 2x plus 2y. That is what? Delta square f upon delta y delta x over. So let us say this is equation 2, this is equation 3 over. Now once again differentiate this original function with respect to y, delta y, sorry, delta f upon delta y with respect to y, original function. What is derivative of x cube?
0.
0
0.
plus
X.
x square
X
y,
square. X
yes, x
square.
square plus
2yx.
2xy or 2yx, yes, plus
3x square.
3y
3y square.
correct, 3y square. Let us say, okay, this is equation 4. Now once again differentiate this once with respect to x. So if we differentiate with respect to x, we get delta square f upon delta x delta y. Okay, tell me the derivative of x square with respect to x.
2x.
2x plus
2y.
2y, perfect,
Plus
plus
0.
0, perfect. Now differentiate this with respect to y. So delta square f upon delta y square. Yes. What is derivative of x
0.
square? 0, perfect. Then
2x.
2x plus
6y.
6y. So the answer is 2x plus 6y. This is equation 5, this is equation 6, and that is the end of the question. If you observe, always you will find this situation. This is true for any function. This is true for any function. Always fxy equal to fyx. Here, this is the symbol. fxy is the symbol for this, and this is the symbol for this. Okay, let us do one more example. Question number 66. Z equal to, either you can say z or f of x comma y, both are same. So z equal to 2 into e raised to 3x plus y. Z equal to 2 is a constant into e raised to 3x plus y. So now we have to find out derivative of this with respect to x. With respect to x. So now see, we know that derivative, simple derivative of e raised to any function, e raised to anything, e raised to anything. The answer is e raised to that thing into derivative of this power of e, derivative of power of e with respect to x. That is the formula. So if you want to differentiate this with respect to x, use the same thing. So 2 is a constant, keep as it is. E raised to anything, put that as it is, into derivative of this with respect to x. Now tell me derivative of this power with respect to x.
3 plus 0.
3. 3 plus 0, that means 3 only. So ultimately 3 2s are 6 into e raised to 3x plus y. This is the answer. Over. Now differentiate z with respect to y. Use the same result. 2 is a constant, but it is in form of multiplication. Keep as it is. E raised to anything, put that as it is, into derivative of power of e with respect to y. Tell me the answer.
0 plus 1. 1.
0 plus 1, that means what? 1 only. So our final answer is 2 into e raised to 3x plus y. Over. So this is one simple situation if we know this result. Okay, next question 68. Z equal to 3x plus 1 upon y plus 2, and we have to find out dz, delta z upon delta x and delta z upon delta y. Now listen, there is one rule of derivative, division rule, u upon v. Any of you know what is the rule for division in derivative? U upon v rule. In derivative, if division is there, first of all, whatever in denominator, we have to write square of that in denominator. That means v square. Then here in numerator, we have to write once again v, that means denominator. And we have to find out derivative of u with respect to x. Then minus sign. Now you have to keep u as it is and multiply that with derivative of v. So first v as it is, derivative of u, minus u as it is, derivative of v upon v square. So differentiate this with respect to x according to this rule. So first step, take the square of denominator and put in denominator. So y plus 2 the whole square. Then here you have to write y plus 2 into, now derivative of this numerator with respect to x. Tell me the answer.
3.
3. Then minus sign. Then keep this numerator as it is and multiply it with the derivative of this denominator with respect to x.
0.
0. Perfect. So now 0 into anything is 0. So our final answer is 3 into y plus 2 upon y plus 2 the whole square. So you can cancel this. So my final answer is 3 upon y plus 2. This is what delta z upon delta x, 3 upon y plus 2, that is the answer for delta z upon delta x. Now delta z upon delta y, the same rule you have to apply. Division rule. Tell me the first step. What we have to write in denominator?
Y plus 2 the whole square.
Correct. Then here once again y plus 2 into derivative of this numerator with respect to y.
0.
0 minus this 3x plus 1 as it is. Now derivative of this denominator with respect to y.
1.
1. Perfect. So my final answer. Now here 0 into anything is 0. So my answer is minus 3x plus 1 upon y plus 2 the whole square. And this is not able to say here nothing is possible to cancel. This is our final answer. So minus 3x plus 1 upon y plus 2 the whole square, that is my final answer. Now let us do this question number 69. See the question. F of xy is given here. F of xy equal to 3x square plus 7xy minus 2y square. So we have to find out fx, means derivative. Fx is nothing but derivative of the function with respect to x, and fy, that is same thing. And it is given that when x is 2 and y is 3, find out its value. Okay, so here after derivative we have to put x equal to 3 and x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. So first of all let us find out derivative. Tell me the answer. What is derivative with respect to x?
6x plus 7y plus 0.
Correct. Now put x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. So we get 12 plus 21, 33 is the answer. Over. Now fy, that is derivative of f with respect to y. Differentiate with respect to y, original function.
0 plus 7x plus 4y minus 4y.
Minus 4y. And put the value. So 7 into 2 minus 4 into 3, that is 14 minus 12. So 2 is the answer. So it is simple question. One is 33, another one is 2, that is the answer. Question number 70. We have to find out delta square u upon delta x square, delta square u upon delta x delta y. So instead of f, here function is denoted by u. Instead of z, it is denoted, here it is denoted by z. Sorry, u. So either you can write z or u, it's same thing. It is a function of x and y here in this question. What is it? X square into y cube. And we have to find out this thing. So let us start first of all delta u upon delta x. Tell me the derivative of this with respect to x.
सर मल्टीप्लिकेशन रूल याद नहीं.
Okay, but no need to multiply here. Reason is this is constant. So we have to see if you want to find out derivative of 7x cube. No need to use multiplication rule. Keep this 7 as it is and take this 3 in here, and we get 21x square because 7 is a constant, so no need to use multiplication rule. Here also y cube is a constant, no need to use multiplication rule. Simply keep y cube as it
2x,
is. Yes, derivative of this is 2x
2x
and
plus
simply
0
y cube as it is.
into
Over.
0. Otherwise,
Correct. No need to write 0 because it multiplication, so keep that as it is. Is it clear?
yes, sir.
Okay, or you can use the multiplication rule. There is a multiplication rule. What is the rule? If there is u into v, then q keep u as it is, differentiate v with respect to x, plus v as it is, derivative of u with respect to x. That is the multiplication rule. You can consider this rule, multiplication rule. So x square as it is. Now tell me, what is derivative of y cube with respect to x? Derivative of y cube with respect to
Z-
x.
0, 0,
0
0, sir.
plus y cube as it is. Now derivative of x square with respect to x.
2x.
2x. So what is my final answer? X square into 0 is 0. So my final answer is 2x into y cube. Even though if you use multiplication rule, you will get the answer. But it is not required for this particular situation because y cube is a constant. But still,
Okay,
if you use multiplication rule, you will get the answer. If you use multiplication rule, you will get the answer. Now, differentiate this with respect to x again. Delta square u upon delta x square. Once again, y cube and 2, both are constant. Tell me the answer.
2x cube. 2y cube.
2y cube only. Why? Because 2 and y cube are constant and derivative of 1, x is 1 over. Now differentiate with respect to y. Delta square u upon delta y delta x. Differentiate with respect to y. Tell me the answer.
2y squared into 2x.
2x as it is into what?
3y squared.
Correct. So my final answer is 6xy square. Correct. Let us say this is equation 2, this one is equation 3 over. Now differentiate this u with respect to y. Derivative of u with respect to y means original function, differentiate with respect to y. Now x is a constant. Tell me the answer.
3y square into x square.
Correct. X square is a constant as it is, and here we get 3y square. So my final answer is 3x square y square. Correct. Now differentiate this with respect to x. So we get delta square u upon delta x delta y. Tell me the answer. Derivative. Differentiate
6,
with respect to x.
6x y square.
Correct. And differentiate this with respect to y.
6x square y.
Correct. Perfect. So this is equation 5. This one is equation 6. And that is the end of the example. So it is not that much difficult. Now the same thing you can do for this. Consider this is your homework. 72nd one. That is homework. Let us do this question. 71. In this 71, it is given that if z equal to this, then prove this thing. This is always true for any value of z. But here we have to prove that thing. So z equal to 3xy minus y cube plus y square minus 2x whole raised to 3 by 2. Okay, now let us start. First, differentiate with respect to x. Keep y constant. Okay, tell me the derivative of 3xy.
3y.
3y minus derivative of y cube
minus 0.
plus, now listen, there is one rule. Any function raised to any constant number, the derivative of that is n, that is constant number, into this function you have to write as it is raised to n minus 1. So power we have to write in multiplication and we have to subtract 1 from the power, but we have to keep this function as it is. Into, we have to differentiate this function with respect to x. So tell me the answer for this.
3 by 2
Correct. Into,
bracket y square minus 2x uh,
correct.
raised to 1 by 2.
Perfect. Into, in bracket, you have to differentiate this part with respect to x. Tell me the answer.
0 minus 2. Minus
0
2.
minus 2. That means what? Minus 2. Perfect. And you can cancel this 2. And this minus sign and this plus sign, you get minus sign here. So tell me the ultimate answer. Tell me. 3y as it is. Then plus or minus?
Minus
Minus what we have to write? 3 into y
3y square
square.
minus 2x raised to 1 by 2.
Correct. This is my equation 1. Now differentiate this with respect to y. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to y. We get delta square z upon delta y delta x, because this is what we to find out. So differentiate equation 1 with respect to y. Tell me the derivative of 3y.
3
Yes,
minus
minus. Hmm,
3 by 2.
correct. 3 into 1 by 2. Yes. Into.
2y minus 0.
No, you have to keep this function as it is, first of all.
uh,
And
minus 1 by 2 raised to
correct.
minus
Correct. Into. Yes.
2y
2y minus 0 means 2y. Perfect. You can cancel this 2. So what is my final answer? Delta square z upon delta y delta x. Final answer of this is what? 3 as it is. Then this minus and this is also plus. So what we would write here? 3 into what? Tell me the answer. 3y
3y
into,
y square minus 2y raised to minus 1 by 2.
correct. This is the answer. Let us say answer of d square y upon dy dx, that is equation 2. Now differentiate z with respect to y first of all. So let us write down once again z. Now z equal to original function 3xy minus y cube plus y square minus 2x raised to 3 by 2. This is my original function. Now differentiate this with respect to y first of all. Tell me the derivative of this with respect to y.
3x
Correct. Minus.
3y square
Correct. Plus.
3 by 2
Hmm.
x square minus 2x
Y square minus 2x.
uh, 1 by 2
1 by 2 into.
2y.
Very good. Because now we have to differentiate with respect to y. You can cancel this 2. So what is my final answer? 3x minus 3y square plus, see this 3 and this y, you can write 3y into y square minus 2x raised to 1 by 2. Let us say equation 3. Now differentiating this with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. we get delta square z upon delta x delta y. Differentiate with respect to x, equation 3. Tell me the answer.
3 minus 0 plus
3y is a constant because we want to find out derivative with respect to x. So 3y keep constant like 3 only.
1 by into 1 by 2
Yes.
y square minus 2x
Hmm.
minus 1 by 2
Hmm.
2 minus 2.
Minus 2 because derivative of y square is 0, minus 2x is 2, and you can cancel this 2 and simplify. Delta square z upon delta x delta y. Simplify and tell me the answer.
3
3.
minus
Correct.
3y
Yes.
bracket x y square minus 2x raised to minus 1 by 2.
Correct. Now see this equation 4 and equation 2. Check equation 2 and equation 4. Equation 2 and equation 4. So we can see that from equation 2 and 4, we can say that delta square z upon delta y delta x equal to delta square z upon delta x delta y, and this is what we want to prove in this question number 17. Okay, now consider this is your homework. Let us do this question number 73. 73. Z equal to log of x plus y. This is the question. Z equal to log of x plus y, and we have to prove in this, for this particular function, we have to prove this thing. It is not always true, but maybe for this function it is true. Let us verify. Delta square z upon delta x square equal to delta square y upon delta y square. Okay, so first delta z upon delta x. There is a rule, log of any function, log of anything, 1 upon this function into derivative of this function. That is the rule of derivative. Use this rule. Tell me the derivative of this with respect to x. This is your function. It's look like log something. So the answer is 1 upon
1
that thing
upon 1 upon x plus y.
into derivative of this with respect to x. What is derivative of x?
1
And here 0.
0.
So my answer for delta z upon delta x is 1 upon x plus y. Let us say equation 1. Now what we want to prove here, delta square z upon delta x square. So once again differentiate this with respect to x and use the division rule. For this, what we will write here?
Denom-
Yes, give
Denominator
me the
x plus y raised to
whole square.
square
Here
x
you have to
square
write x
y
plus
in
y. Yes,
derivative of
into
1 0
correct minus 1 as it is, and
1
derivative of this 1. Perfect, because the we have to find out derivative of with respect to x. So derivative of y is 0. Okay, 0 into anything is 0. So my final answer is minus 1 upon x plus y the whole square. This is the answer of delta z upon delta x. Okay, now just rewrite the function z. Now differentiate with respect to y. Tell me the answer with respect to y. Same logic.
1 upon x plus y.
1 upon x plus y into derivative of this with respect to
1
y.
1
0
0
plus 1.
plus
Correct. 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 So answer is 1 upon x plus y. Equation 3. Now differentiate this with respect to y. So delta square z upon delta y square. Tell me the answer. Once again, division rule.
Denominator x plus y the whole square.
Correct. Then x plus
X
y.
plus into 0
Correct.
minus 1,
1
1,
into derivative of this with respect to y.
1. 0
0
plus
plus.
1.
Correct. Now 0 into anything is 0 and 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1 and minus sign is there. So we can say that it is minus 1 upon x plus y the whole square. Equation 4. Now see equation 2 and 4. Check, they are same. Equation 2 and 4 both are same. So we can say that from 2 and 4 delta square z upon delta x square equal to delta square z upon delta y square. But bear in mind, this is true only for this particular question, not always. Okay, we will continue with question number 74 in our next lecture. So this is enough for today. If you have any question, you can ask your doubt.